What's up, sluts? It's April. It's the Slutbox. Let's do it. So I hope you guys can't hear the freaking washer. It's like it's making a lot of noise, and I think it's on its last leg. But it's pretty fucking loud. So if you can hear it, I apologize. All right, Slutbox, April. La 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 la. What do we have this month? We've got like, oh, there's Amber Rose, looking cute. So okay, so they got rid of the like big sort of magazine thing, and they they do it online now. But it looks like this month we've got like a little mini sort of flyer that has the products in it, and then on the other side is a little poster of Amber Rose, looking cute. She might open a Slutbox box later. IDK. Okay. A selfie ring light. Nice. Okay. I am excited about this, and stuff is flying around everywhere. I am gonna up my selfie game. I'm so excited. Okay. Like, everybody and their grandmother has one of these, but, you know, I don't, so I'm getting overly excited about it. Okay, it looks like we've got a little sample. Make my ex want to get it back. CBD activated charcoal compressed sheet mask. Okay. I was thinking this was going to be some kind of like, just based on the name, make my ex want to get it back, that it might be like a vaginal tightening cream or something, because that's where my mind goes, because it's the Slutbox. Come on. But it's a sheet mask for your face, not for your vagina, or your butt, or your boobs. It's for your face. So that's cool. So it feels like a sweet tart or a Tums. It's like really hard. So add water or aloe vera to moisturize sheet mask until it expands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes to detoxify and tighten pores, then rinse. Glycerin, bamboo, charcoal, hemp, CBD powder, activated charcoal. So I know that charcoal is supposed to like detoxify. It's supposed to like draw out impurities from your skin. But I'm not sure what CBD does for your skin. A lot of people swear that CBD is like a miracle, and it'll get rid of like whatever ails you. So I don't know. Maybe it makes your skin rejuvenated. I don't know. Real Her Expert Advice Lip Liner. Okay. I'm done with lip liner. Oh, there's so much plastic. Ugh. Motherfucker. Well, I wanted to see what the lip liner looks like. Oh, here we go. It's called I Love Myself. Okay, that's cute. I don't love this box, however. Okay. Holy crap. Really? It is wedged in there. Swing. Okay. Hello. So, I feel like I have this one already. It looks really familiar to me. It's a really pretty color. And actually, I think it would go great underneath this lip gloss I'm wearing right now. It's very work-friendly, work-appropriate. not too flashy. This would be great just on its own too, to be honest. Just fill in your lips. That's really cute. I like this shade. I almost said I like this flavor. No, I like this shade. I'm not gonna eat it. What is this? Vegan friendly. What is it? Oh! Pomegranate Noir Indulgence Cream. A lightweight moisturizer that gives your skin a boost of hydration. See, indulgence cream. I'm thinking like something for your nether regions, like a lube or some kind of warming massage oil. It's just a moisturizer. Pomegranate. It was kind of crusty. What is up with that? That's not cute. That looks like what I squeezed out of my cat's face because he has an abscess. Why is it all crustified like that? Like, how old is this? It smells like camphorphenique. I don't know about this one. Where's the expiration date? Because that's pretty crusty. Like, I'm kind of scared to use it. I'm not seeing an expiration date. And also, it kind of stinks. It's crusty and it stinks. So, I'm just gonna put this over here and wipe that off because that stinks. Okay, what is this? Sutil Mint Body Glide. Okay, that's gotta be lube, right? I think it is, and it's mint flavored. Okay. And of course it's got a freaking seal on it. But that means it won't get crusty. Okay, so. I thought I had a crumb or something on my hand and I was trying to wipe it off. It's a freckle. Ooh, it smells nice and minty. It tastes nice and minty. That's pretty good. That's pretty decent. And it's not, it doesn't taste like chemicals, which a lot of, like, especially the cheaper flavored lubes, they just taste like chemicals and kind of like whatever it's supposed to taste like. Oh, it's organic mint. Paraben-free, glycerin-free, sugar-free. Eco ingredients, whatever that means. It has stevia in it. Okay, so bitches don't have to worry about some calories and some sugar while they're giving a blowjob. You don't want to get fat. Gotta have stevia in your lube. But for reals though, sugar in your lube is not a good idea. Okay, moving on. Chocolates for great sex. Oh, there's a chocolate in here. Amorous Amaretto. Mysterious milk chocolate. So, what does it do exactly? Aphrodisiac chocolate. Okay, we're gonna read the flyer when we're done unboxing because I'm curious. Anti-cellulite massage oil. Yeah, I'm just gonna use that as a massage oil. Because nothing really truly gets rid of cellulite. You can kind of reduce the appearance of it, but there is no cure. So, what are we working with? I don't know, because there's a seal on it. Ooh, it smells good. It smells citrusy. Grapeseed, eucalyptus, lemon, and grapefruit oil. Oh, I'm definitely smelling the grapefruit. That smells really good. So I'm just going to use this as a massage oil. So it's telling you how to use it. Like, people don't know how to use massage oil. So they want you to use it on your damp skin after you take a shower or a bath. Oil applied to dry skin will coat the skin but will not penetrate. Because the skin didn't give consent. It smells really good. I am liking this, and it comes with different caps, so you can use this cap with it, or a pump. Very cool. Okay, is that it? I think so. It's just a shit ton of purple noodlies. Purple noodlies. Okay. Let's read our flyer. Because I'm really curious. So the first thing was this cream, which stinks. I'm sorry. Pomegranate is supposed to smell good. This smells like something that my mother rubbed on my chest when I had a cold, when I was sick, when I was a child. It does not smell good. And it retails for $38.99. I'm sorry, no. Body Glide by Sutil. I'm not sure. 2 ounces, retails for $15.50. So it comes in either mint, vanilla, coconut, or cherry. I am very glad that I got mint. I probably would have been happy with vanilla. I don't do coconut. Artificial cherry stuff reminds me of cough syrup, so I probably wouldn't have liked that. The CBD plus charcoal sheet mask. Y'all, they're saying this retails for $15. I'm sorry, it's a fucking Altoid shaped thing. $15. Okay. It doesn't say, okay, so learn more at millennialbeauté.com. So I might have to learn more about what in the hell CBD is supposed to do for your face. I don't know. And then our milk chocolate. Yes, this is what I want to know about. Boost your libido and ramp up excitement with these salted caramelicious milk chocolate gourmet aphrodisiac chocolates. So I might have to learn more at oglashes.com, because what's in it? Like, to increase your libido. Herbal infused. Okay. Mystery makeup. Question mark. Blah, blah, blah. I'm sending you a surprise makeup item. So I got the, where did it go? Lip liner. Retail value of $10 to $12. So, selfie light. Yes, $19.99. I'm super excited about that. And the massage oil retails for $12.99. Yeah, I'm very excited about this, just as a massage oil, not necessarily for trying to get rid of cellulite. So, love the smell of it. I didn't even try it. I should try a little bit, huh? Let's put this cap on it and just try a wee little drop. Tiny little drop. Oh, it smells so good. So, I'm putting it on dry skin, not damp skin. So, it's probably not going to penetrate, but I'm using it anyways. So, I mean, it kind of does. Probably not as well as it would on damp skin, but for being straight up oil, it does kind of absorb. So I'm very excited about this. So that is our April Slutbox. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next month. Bye.